I know, I'm just like, what the heck? You guys are a little too efficient. There's just like wood bits all over the place. We can't have someone named Karen. I'm just kidding. I guess I should make Yuki because she was really complaining that she's not a character yet, so. Actually, you know, we have Katori. We should make a... I don't know if Gas Cam wants to be one. I'll just temporarily make this a Yuki and then we can deal with it later. Please be a girl. A ponytail, maybe? I should just make her bald. Here we go. That's Yuki.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Huh? That's Yuki. Character's name Erica. What? Oh. I guess it like automatically randomizes the name. I can't believe Yuna doxed her sister and we now know she's a bald white girl named Erica. That's right. Yuki's true identity. She's actually bald. Hey, you know what? If you're bald, then you can wear like, you know, a ton of wigs. You can change your hairstyle every day. Your color, it's not an issue. You don't have to worry about damaging your hair.
No. He's got a point.
Don't worry, we'll remind you, threat. Actually, yes. Actually, I really do need you to remind me.